Hey there, Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Welcome to day 1651 of What You Up To Now, documenting my journey, my business journey primarily, as I've transitioned from the brick and mortar corporate world of business to the online world of business, and with the pandemic, back into the offline world of business again, and doing more projects in that, primarily because I believe that the COVID pandemic taught us, or sure as heck should have shown us, the majority of us, that it's important that we have independence, confidence, which we're going to talk about today and for the month of August, as our annual challenge, the BU 365-day challenge, to do one thing every day that improves us. We're focusing on confidence this month. We focused on physical, mental, emotional, spiritual, financial, relationships, contribution last month, and then confidence this month, and we'll do communication next month. That's the 9-area framework that I personally use to organize my life and add a little structure to what otherwise would be absolute chaos, because life is throwing things at us all the time, and if we don't have a way to make sense of it for ourselves, and this is the way that makes sense for me, and that's why I'm sharing it with you, we struggle. And I didn't always use a life framework, right? When I was a kid, I didn't have a life framework. I just, followed my parents' thoughts, beliefs, and ideas, and did what I was told most of the time as a good daughter. Sometimes I didn't and got into mischief, but that was part of my growth and my experience as a child as well. So today, for Supersize Your Business for Female Entrepreneurs, we talked about the idiom, because we're going to do a confidence-related idiom every day for the month of August to coincide with the annual challenge to make my life easier, and to reinforce my learning and my growth in the area of confidence by understanding what different idioms on the topic mean. I love idioms. I didn't used to love idioms. I started doing an idiom a day in my Supersize Your Business group because I was moving. I was downsizing and moving out of the home I had raised my family in, and I had a huge project. I had set a goal that I would get rid of at least 90% of everything I had, all my physical belongings and things, and I did that, although I secretly still have a storage unit that I have stuff in, that one of these years, one of these days, COVID made it so that I got an excuse to hang on to that storage unit for a couple more years, and I didn't go deal with it. Although COVID probably would have been the perfect time to deal with it, because I could have done it all by myself and not been by other people. But things like Goodwill were restricted, and you couldn't get rid of your things as easily, or donate your things as easily. So I got all kinds of excuses for why I'm hanging on to my storage unit. So today our idiom was to believe in you, believe in yourself. And I shared 7 awesome ways to believe in yourself, which I think were great, because I honestly believe that confidence determines our level of confidence. Our belief in ourselves determines just about everything, and sets us up for what we will or will not even experience in our lives, whether we'll stretch our comfort zone or not. The more confident we are, the more we will step outside of our comfort zone and do things that are for us and move us in the direction that we want our life to go. So we talked about for the first day, for day 1, I like to say, I share a definition. All I did for a definition today was I shared a little bit of mine, and I'm going to work on mine today because I do the action item right along with everyone else in the challenge. And our action item today is to decide and figure out, what is your definition of confidence? What does confidence look like and feel like to you right now? And then we'll probably see if that changes over the course of the month, because I suspect it will for me. Right now, confidence to me is believing that no matter what comes my way in my life, I will figure it out, right? And I've had some huge, up to and including death challenges in my lifetime, and so I figured it out. I'm still here, right? I'm still here. Has everything been perfect? Oh yeah, no, absolutely not. Have some things gone well and have some things really tanked? Yes, but that's the nature of my life, and I figured it out. And so far, like all of you and me, we've survived 100% of our days so far. That in and of itself should give us confidence to know that we can create what we want moving forward, starting today. So, definition of confidence: believe in you. 7 awesome ways to believe in yourself, which I think the more we encourage ourselves and believe and do the things that we need to do every day that make us feel confident and trust ourselves. The number one way to undermine yourself is to not tell yourself the truth, not trust yourself, not believe in yourself, right? And so we're going to throughout the month of August, strengthen our confidence and our belief in ourselves. Because to me, confidence is our belief in ourselves to figure stuff out. And I'll work on my definition today. I'm not sure that's my whole definition. I know when I feel confident. I know when I feel more or less confident. And I want to always be feeling more confident, more capable, and the more experiences we have that add to our self-confidence, our self-esteem, our self-love, the more confident we feel. And the more confident we feel, the better example we set for the rest of the world. All right, that is it today. I am hanging out with my granddaughter. She's actually making videos with me today. She's sleeping. Cross your fingers, she sleeps for a little while longer. If I can help you in any way, ask. Otherwise, I will be with you tomorrow.